Little update. I'm starting on the back half now. Went ahead and I've already made the top of my C-notches and the part of the rear section of the C-notch. I've already got those pieces there cut. Now I'm starting on the back half. So go ahead and try to get this finished up. Left side, so now start the right side. Well, I'm going to get these things deburred and welded into place, and then I'll finish up the video. Alright, as you can see, these are my cuts I made for the C-notch, and I'm just going to kind of tack it into place and then get it all set together, check everything, make sure it's square, and then when I know it's all straight and square, that's whenever I'll burn the welds in real good. No, I'm not looking at the welds, I'm turning my head. I know, I should be wearing a helmet. Okay. And now it looks like my tip's clogged. Of course. So I'm going to get these things tacked into place, and I'll get you the video straightened out as soon as I get it all put together, kind of show you where I'm at. Alright guys, as you can tell, I've already got this piece into place, tack welded. This will be my, basically this right here, the angle this is cut, this will be the driver's side. But just got tack welded for now. I'm going to go ahead and move this out of the way so I can start on the other side. So I've already made my driver's side. I need to make sure this is going to be the passenger. So grab my helmet here. Safety first, right? This is a good flat surface here for me to weld on. Got that side, so now I can keep it. place. Now I'm just tacking these in because I want to make sure after I get all together that everything's square. By tacking it, if something's off, I can easily cut it, put it back into place. Okay, I've got those. Now all I gotta do is get it set down and get the center put in. Alright, so I got the back piece cut. Got to cut at an angle on 45 on each side. Put these in place and it should create the structure for the back half. All these angles should be cut perfectly square. So all I'm going to do to make sure is go get my square, go up to it, check it, and do some tack welds. Got that set in place, and you can see that it is all kind of starting to come together. You can start to kind of see what it's going to be. I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to put my tubing from this angle here to this angle here as well, and do some braces in the rear for my tank and my compressors. I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to do some cutting, do some measuring, make sure everything's squared, and I'm going to finish it up with a gas welder. Alright guys, I went ahead, I got it all tacked into place, checked it's all square. Now I'm going to show you my outcome here. These pieces on the bottom, that's just to help level it. But there it is so far. I put these little gusset type supports in the rear. I'll probably put a piece coming off here to support my tank, and my compressors probably on the sides. But that's it so far. I'll give you an update whenever I start cutting on the frame and start getting this thing set into place. But appreciate you watching my videos. Please comment, please subscribe.